Barakatuh. I am homeopathic Dr. Ishtiaq Ahmad Khan. Today I am going to discuss a remedy that is very much related to this winter season and also the cold conditions. And there is a comparison between this remedy entomtart and epicock, because epicock is also of the same category, suited to this condition and this weather. The entomtart is a very good remedy for respiratory disorders such as bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma, chest rattling, when there is rattling sounds in the chest, and vomiting and nausea, and cough originating from moist damp conditions, when there is moisture in the atmosphere and conditions are damp and the cough starts. This remedy works well. It gives good result for not only aged but also children and infants, newborns. It's asthma. In epicock, the patient will be full of blood, face flushing, but this remedy entomtart, the patient will be looking weak and on the last stages. The epicock, the disease will appear quickly and will progress fast, and soon face will be flushing. This is the symptom of epicock. But in entomtart, the patient is normal looking and suddenly catches cold, then weakness starts gradually, and disease will appear on next day and will progress gradually. It means that in epicock, the disease will come suddenly, and in entomtart, the disease will come gradually, not suddenly. Once symptoms are settled, it will be more severe than epicock, and the immune system will not react. This is the problem when you have to use the entomtart. In epicock, the whole body fights against disease, the immune system. But in entomtart, there is no expectoration, even if chest is full of phlegm and there is difficulty in breathing, and patient is quickly subdued by disease because its immune system is not working properly, as opposed to epicock where immune system is working. Another difference between these two is the nausea. If there is nausea but no vomiting, then epicock is the remedy. It will be used. If there is nausea but there is no vomiting, but if there is vomiting, whether or without nausea, and chest is full of phlegm, then entomtart is the remedy. This is the difference between two remedies when using these for what? For cough, which is rattling in the chest. It is also used for infants, children. So I advise that during this winter and damp conditions and cold conditions, when there is chest rattling in the infants and also aged, use these remedies. They provide wonderful